We found that there is a greater number of ticks in the area and that the tick populations are expanding, so that is part of the cause of the reason for increased Lyme disease in the area.
We're going to show a graph in our presentation of cases of Lyme disease in the Adirondacks over the last 10 years, and you can just see it exploding in the last 5 years. That's either because more people are getting it or just because we're getting better at diagnosing it. It's really hard to diagnose too because it looks exactly like the flu right away. So if early stage Lyme disease, they might just say you have the flu, just give a couple weeks, get over it.
Two groups presenting today are the Adirondack Semester and the Trudeau Semester. These are two semester-long programs that are offered by Clarkson University. They're intensive living and learning experiences. And today they're going to be talking about Lyme disease. The Adirondack group is going to be speaking about the socioeconomic factors that are implicated with the invasion of the black-legged tick into the Adirondack Park, bringing along with it Borrelia burgdorferi, the bacterium which causes Lyme disease. The Trudeau Semester group are doing a more in-depth study of the geographical distribution of this black-legged tick, so more molecular biological method being used to prove that these populations are expanding, yet information we need in order to understand the socioeconomic impact.
Those students basically did half of my research. They did all the DNA extractions, the ticks, and did work that will contribute directly to the research I'm doing in the Adirondacks.
It's nice to know that my research is actually going to mean something. It's good research experience, and it looks fantastic on a resume. Like, I put this on my resume and I handed it out to people at the career fair, and every single person said, "Oh, you did that, that looks so cool." And then like people who recently graduated from Clarkson said, "Oh, I heard about that, but I couldn't do it, and you're so lucky."
Almost like a grad school boot camp. We get them in and we tell them, we teach them what it's like to be a graduate student. A lot of these students want to go on to PhDs and master's degrees, and you're not exposed to that as an undergrad usually. So we get them into it, and they're writing, they're doing posters, they're doing presentations, they're doing real, meaningful, hardcore science